Well, the state of Minnesota going up against two major e-cigarette and tobacco makers.
The state suing Juul and Altria, claiming the two companies have deceptive marketing toward children. Paul Blume joining us now live from the courthouse. Paul, both sides laying out their cases today.
Randy, really, this is a fascinating case unfolding here in the Hennepin County Government Center. Considered Minnesota is the first state to take on these two giants inside a courtroom, going to trial against Juul Labs and Altria. The state's allegations here, these companies illegally marketed and they targeted minors in the state of Minnesota, making huge profits by illegally addicting young tobacco users to their product, those e-cigarettes.
Minnesota law says it is illegal for tobacco companies to sell their products to kids, to minors.
Attorney General Keith Ellison personally delivering a portion of the state's opening statement Tuesday in its landmark trial against Juul Labs and Altria, going after the companies over e-cigarettes. The AG's office, seeking tens of millions of dollars in damages, accuses Juul and Altria of, quote, hooking a new generation of Minnesota youth on the addictive nicotine found in e-cigs after the state worked so hard and spent so much to reduce youth smoking rates.
The advertisements, the Juul device, the flavors, they all are slick, artful, and cool, and the evidence will show that they were designed to be. Their products are dangerous.
While dozens of states and hundreds of local governments have sued Juul, Minnesota is the first to go to trial and put the arguments and evidence before a jury. For its part, Juul has said it is interested in settling, pointing out it has done so with 39 other states and territories. In a statement to Fox 9, a company spokesman writing, quote, effective interventions to address underage use of all tobacco products, including vapor, depends not on headline-driven trials, but rather on evidence-based policies, programs, and enforcement. This is the approach that Juul Labs supports and has been part of implementing.
So whenever you heard the word, is it attractive or appeals to kids, lots of things, including these products, are attractive and appeal to kids, and you can't make them not appeal to kids without making them bulky, ugly, and unattractive to adults to whom they're targeted.
Of course, the point from that attorney there is the product, the e-cig, was initially intended to target adult cigarette and hardcore tobacco users, attempting to get them to quit the dangerous cigarette. So can their companies be held liable? We shall see. Again, this case in front of a civil jury in a trial that's expected to last several weeks. We're live in downtown Minneapolis. Paul Blume, Fox 9.
We're learning new